Say Happy Valentine's Day, Mason. Yeah, say Happy Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Oh, you see it in your bear. Okay. Do you want to show him your playhouse?
Yeah.
Okay, go run and show him your playhouse.
Yeah.
Say, come, maybe sometime you can come over and see my Valentine's gift. Show him your playhouse. Oh, there it is. Yeah, ring the doorbell. Oh, don't kick it. Ring the doorbell for him. Show him how it works. Yeah. Okay, go inside. Show him. Oh, there's food there too?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, say bye-bye. See you soon.
Soon.
Say see you soon.
Soon.
All right. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.